Hello again, it's July 24, 2025, and I'll make some comments about elderberry shrubs just to show that I do have some things here that belong in my climate as opposed to the fussy avocados that take so much effort to keep alive. Elderberry is native. Elderberry likes to grow in places that are both sunny and moist. So stream beds and forest edges are where you usually will find it. I don't really have much fruit in these two older ones. That's what it looks like after about 10 years, and the shrubs are kind of nearing the end of their life. Very few flowers and fruit came on to those. So I'm going to trim out all of the bare branches this autumn, allow the canes to pop up again, see if I can get some production from these. But if not, I'll allow more root suckers from this one to appear. This is a cultivar that my dad gave me. I don't know the name of it, but another horticulturist gave him a cutting, and so we've just kept passing it around. It has these purple stems, but it's very productive. And I've been working on it, clipping out the umbrals, and it is kind of time consuming. The berries are a bit small, but if you like elderberry, there's not a lot of sources for it. You kind of have to grow it on your own. The birds really like it, so once it starts ripening, you need to act quickly. And I'll also comment, I got the pie plates in here to keep the birds out. They don't like this scraping sound. But I have lots and lots of clusters to pick, and probably another week or two to go at most. Pretty easy plant to grow, doesn't have a lot of problems with blight or anything, but it does like moisture. You can see where I'm growing it. There's a dip here, so the drainage runs down this direction, and if you have an area in your yard that tends to collect water and you want to have something growing there other than weeds, elderberry can be a good choice. So I'll make another video in the future about avocados, because I know that's what most people sign on to my channel for. Pretty hot out here, so go inside, create this video and post it for y'all.